Most creators think videos fail because of editing or because of algorithm, but many videos fail before recording even starts. The failure happens at the idea, and today I'm gonna show you how. I've been on YouTube roughly for 12 years and I did a lot of gaming content, and my old workflow, which was back in the day, was very simple. I recorded first, then I edited, then tried to come up with a title and thumbnail in the last minute, so the packaging was actually lost, and that was the problem. You see, when the packaging comes last, you are stuck with what is recorded. If the idea is weak, you cannot fix it with a better title. It's already too late. So by the time you're packaging, the battle is already lost. The video was doomed from the start. So I want to design and talk about the shift. Now, I design the click first. It's not perfect, but clear. I ask myself, what is the main promise of the video? I start with the end. You have to know exactly why somebody will see your video before they start to watch. Everything else follows from that single decision moment. So today, before recording, I ask myself the most important question: why would anyone care? If I cannot answer that question in one single sentence, the idea is not ready, and that question saves you a lot of time, a lot of editing, a lot of hoping, and a lot of pain in the end. Now this is something that's really important to stress out. Many creators think that packaging is decoration. It's not. Packaging is how you position your idea. It defines the tension, it defines the hook. Polish makes things pretty. Positioning makes people click. That's a very different approach. You're not decorating a finished product, you're defining what the product is in the first place. So let's talk about the Let's Play trap. Now guys, I've done well over 300 videos using that same trap, and I was trapped in that. You know, generic gameplay feels fun, but there is no tension, there is no clear promise. Watch me play, it's weak. There is no unique angle, nothing is at stake. However, if I say, okay, I'm gonna beat this game on the max difficulty and I only have one try. Now, can I beat this on the max difficulty? Now that is strong, that is friction, that is a unique angle, and that makes people care. They wanna see, will I make it? So that's the whole perspective. So how can you solve this problem? By adding a twist, a rule, a challenge, a clearer goal. Now the viewers know what they're watching for. You can do speedrun, one life, wrong class, no upgrades. The constraint is the content. It creates the tension that keeps people watching. So now I abide by new rule. I do not record unless I have a strong working title. If the title is weak, the idea is weak. And this rule changed everything. And if I cannot articulate the promise before filming, you're creating content without purpose. The title isn't the decoration, it's your compass, it's your North Star. So my advice, based on hundreds of videos done the wrong way, is design the click, then build the video. So when you design the click first, the video becomes sharper, your spark is clearer, your edit tighter, you remove all the fluff that's not supporting your main idea. And in the next episode, I will show you how this leads to predictable growth. So when you're doing the video, you want to start with a strategy. First, define the promise. What transformation or payoff are you offering? Second, write the title. Make it specific, compelling, and honest. 3. Sketch a thumbnail. Visualize the moment that sells the story. You can even just outline it, write what you think it's gonna be there, and only then press record. So remember, design first, create second. Most creators fail because they build first and think later. Flip it. This click isn't the final step, it's the foundation. Get that right and everything else becomes easier. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.